Hi, hello and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see Myntra unboxing of 3 different kurtas. Let's start with this red one. The mask is given as complimentary. Though it is not matching the kurta, but it is trendy. This kurta is from Alena brand. This kurta is looking very attractive and at a glance it is giving a gorgeous ethnic look. The material of this kurta is chanderi silk. I got this kurta at 727 rupees from Myntra Festive sale. Now moving on to next kurta, which is of Libas brand. I found this kurti very gorgeous out of all I ordered this time. It has this glazing print on it which is making it look very beautiful. And on top of it is an umbrella cut. This kurta is also made of chanderi silk only. The MRP of this product is 1899, but I got it at 778 rupees, again in the Myntra Festive sale. Myntra has got a lot of discounts in this festive sale. Now moving on to the third and last kurta of this video, which is of Divina brand. This is good for regular wear. The inside cloth is of rayon material. It is comfortable. This kurta is of double XL size, but I found it smaller when compared to other double XL kurtas. So I recommend you to order a size larger. The outer white netted layer is made of cotton silk. You will be surprised if I say the price of this kurta which I ordered at. It is 370 rupees and I found it very effective and reasonable for this kurta. Here comes to the end of the video and we will meet again with more gorgeous kurtas from Myntra Festive sale. See you soon.